Okay guys, it's your boy Alarm Geek here with another video. So this is the day after I got the pull station. My fire alarm arrived, so let's unbox it. Set the knife down. I guess I don't need it right now. Oh, there we go. Oh, second layer. I think I'll use my knife for this. I'm just gonna. Oh, no, it opens from here. No, it doesn't. No, that's not it. Ugh. Oh, there we go. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, here she is, but this is just with the dust cover. Let's see what she actually looks like. Open her up. Let's get her. Ready? 3, 2, I need to get a good grip. 1. There we go. Brand new. We'll have the system out quickly. Thanks for watching.